We're about to send it. We're about to make a mess.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, I'll be making chicken fajitas. But before we go any further with the video, I need you guys to hit that red button that's allocated anywhere around the screen that says subscribe. Click it for me. Once that's done, move over to Instagram. Just look up MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram as well. And let's begin the show. Okay, the first few steps in order to get things going. What you need to do is get a bit of paprika. Let me open the other side because we need quite a bit. Pour a bit of that in there, okay? Pour a bit of pepper. Pinch of salt. Now this is the extra chili stuff that I got. So just a little tiny bit. Literally, you probably won't even be able to see it on the camera. Oh, that is enough. Right? Chop it off. Put a bit of olive oil. Just a little bit more. And now, that's it. That's gonna go over here. Obviously, I've got some lime as well chopped up. Forgot about that. Squeeze it all in there. Right? Look at that. What you want to do is, they say push these in and pull it out, but I'm not going to bother trying that. I'm just going to cut it right down the middle. Okay, I'm only going to use half, simply because I'm not a fan of these. I don't like them, so I don't want a lot of it in my food. There's that. Get the little seeds out as much as you can. Okay, there you are. That's that. Move over. That came out nice and clean. Let me get rid of these. Okay, get rid of the last bit of seeds in there. And all you want to do is chop them up straight, just like a centimetre thick, or sometimes obviously more. Just pour it in there. That's your nice little marinade mix, or whatever you want to call it. Got the smallest onion that I could get. Right, peel it off. Get the skin off and all of that. Right. You wanna dice your onion. Okay. There you are, voila. That's that. Turn it around, put it in there. Okay. Let me wash this and get our chicken, and then I'll be back. Right, as for the next part, you got a chicken. What you want to do, get rid of the excessive bits, like, you know, you see and is not so attractive, right? Get rid of that. Check, make sure there's no bits. Watch out for the fingers. Get it going. Those bits there. Okay. place it down, cut it halfway through. Done. And then what you want to do is just slice it. Slice it. That's all you want to do. Little thin slices. There you are. Get your chicken in. Let me get this out of the way. Here's what you want to do. Turn it on, heat it up. Whilst that's heating up the pan, you want to get one of these and then mix it all up. Okay? We are ready. I believe that's hot enough. Pour a bit of lovely olive oil. Right? Get it all nice and oily. Let it bring up to heat a little bit more. And then what you want to do is quite simply pour in that all in, okay? With all of its goodness, right? Just simply spread it all about. Let it do its thing. We'll be back in a minute to wiggle it about. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Right? Starting to cook nicely. You just want to mix it all about. Get it all yummy cooking. Yummy cooking? What? I don't know if that's a thing or not. Right. And we're about to send it. You ladies and gentlemen ready? We're about to send it. We're about to make a mess. There you are. Right. See all those long chicken strips that I had? They've all curled up and gone small like. So don't worry about it if it's, you know, if it looks long or whatever. It'll be fine. Right. Let that crack on for a little bit more. So here we have our nice chicken. See that? Got a bit brown, got a bit crispy, a little bit. Some of the peppers have kind of like, you know, have a look at it. Oh yeah, flip it around. Have a look at that. Ooh, yummy. Right, that is ready. We can switch that off. Okay. Wow. Okay, next stage, what you want to do is get your plate. I've already got some chopped up lime and a bit of coriander there. And bring it a bit closer so you can see. Then what you need is one of your wraps. And then you got a bit of sour cream, and you got guacamole. What you want to do is get some guacamole, stick it right in the middle there, just like so. Fill it up end to end, okay? That's that. Put a little bit of this in. Okay, make sure you get both colour peppers in there because you want it to look that good yummy stuff, alright? Get one of the chickens. Look at that. Tell me that don't look good already. Tell me that don't look good. Who doesn't like this? Does this look good or does it not look good? Tell me. Right. And just to top it off and garnish it a little bit, coriander leaves, right? And then you want to get your sour cream. Just a few little dabs, a few little dips, okay? That's just like so. There you are. And then, a bit of lime juice, just to go on top. Not too much. There you are. And then of course you just wrap it up. I won't do it in the video. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is your chicken fajita wraps. Obviously, it's an open wrap at the moment, but there you go. That's your chicken, red peppers, brown, yellow peppers, coriander, guacamole, sour cream. Happy days. Bon appetit, enjoy. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to the channel, guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up